This is Jemima Diquilio Eraso from BEd 2A, and for this topic, we will making a video that is related to waves, lights, and sounds.
What is waves?
In physics, mathematics, and related fields, a wave is a propagating dynamic disturbance of one or more quantities, sometimes as described by a wave equation. In physical waves, at least two field quantities in the wave medium are involved.
There are two different types of waves. Longitudinal waves. Longitudinal wave. Wave consisting of a periodic disturbance or vibration that takes place in the same direction as the advance of the wave. Transverse waves. Transverse wave. Motion in which all points on a wave oscillate along paths or right angles to the direction of the wave's advance. Next is sound.
In physics, sound is a vibration that propagates as an acoustic wave through a transmission medium such as a gas, liquid, or solid.
Sound is a mechanical wave that results from the back and forth vibration of the particles of the medium through which the sound wave is moving. Light.
In the term light, sometimes refers to electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength, whether visible or not. In this sense, gamma rays, X-rays, microwaves, and radio waves are also light. Light or visible light is electromagnetic radiation within the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that can be perceived by the human eye. What is a light wave called? Electromagnetic radiation. Light radiates from a source in waves. Each wave has two parts of an electric parts of a magnetic part. That's why light is called electromagnetic radiation.